Alright, so we're out here testing pendulums on this website that I've only heard like yesterday and decided to try it out today. It's called Dueling Nexus, and oh boy, did we draw insane. We're testing out with the card Borreload Savage Dragon, so you know, that's nice. Let's start. How was your guys' Christmas? Mine was really good. Mine was really enjoyable, actually. Me and my friends had a wonderful Christmas. We exchanged gifts to the ones that did get each other something, and it was just overall enjoyable. We made food, we brought food, all that, and it was insane. Hopefully you guys had a good one too. So we're gonna go ahead, activate the Dark Contract, add ourselves the Copernicus, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna link summon. I think I can get 6 negates on board, and we'll activate Electromite. The game plan is to add harmonizing to our hand. No, not really. I guess we won't be able to special summon. I might only be able to have 6, I think. It depends on what we draw, actually. Screw it. Let's see if we get lucky. You know, I'm gonna scale. Well, we already got 1 negate with this, right? So we don't let it push too hard. Because we can scale that. You know what? We're gonna activate Allure. That didn't help us really. It can help us extend though. Not too much though. I'm gonna banish the gate 0. I'm gonna activate this. Activate Electromite. We need 1 more draw to get us in there. We're gonna add harmonizing back. Let's see what we draw. Yes! Yes. Oh, I'm so fucking lucky. I do not deserve that. Alright, now I guess we could pendulum summon. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna pendulum summon Darkworm, Copernicus, and her harmonizing. Boom, Copernicus, boom, harmonizing, boom, Darkworm, and then we're gonna activate the effect of harmonizing because we really need that one. And we're gonna activate Copernicus to chain block and send Lamia, and we're gonna special summon. Doesn't matter. Let's just get ourselves another black thing. Whew, okay. Let's go ahead and special summon our Metaltron using Darkworm and Metaltron, and getting ourselves that. And now we're gonna go ahead and make a really spicy play by going into Underclock Taker by using the Copernicus and the Metaltron. And now we're gonna activate Lamia's effect in the grave, sending the Dark Contract and special summoning her in defense position, thus allowing us to link into the Phantom Knight. And that's it. Boom. That's insane. Now we're gonna activate his effects. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna synchro summon into Borreload Savage Dragon. Boom. Yes. We're gonna equip the Zephyr card. So 3 negates right there. We're gonna set this, and we're gonna activate the Knight to send. Let's go ahead and send this one. Set. That way we can add a level 3. We don't have the shooter, huh? We don't. So that's 1, 2, that's 5. We weren't able to set more because I couldn't, but yeah. So we're gonna activate just to get it now, have early advantage, and now we're gonna pass turn. So let's see if my opponent can play through 5. 2 monster negates, 3 anything negates. Charge. He has a lot of effects that he's gonna get. He's gonna get jugglers, I think. Yeah, he can just add the Perform Mage, and he's gonna get Wolf. It's not like he can run me over though. I don't think I need to do anything against that. I'll let him add. Like, yeah, because he's gonna get that anyways. Yep. No, nothing. We're not gonna activate anything. I go back to work tomorrow, which just sucks. I work the rest of the week, but it's alright. You know, I had a nice 4 days off, so let's just make it worth. We're not gonna do anything against that. Yeah, he has a lot of cards in hand. Now, Dark Sarcophagus, what the fuck could he be playing? We're not gonna stop that, though. We're gonna allow him do what he has to do. If he plays Thunder Dragons here, oh no, Spirit Master. I'm gonna have to negate that. Yeah, I need that card. Fair enough, fair enough. What else are you gonna do? A Brilliant Fusion? Yeah, I'm just gonna... Oh, I can't negate that? What? Ah. Okay, fair. It's cool. You know, we got Fog Blade. Yeah, basic ass combos that you guys have. Fair, fair. Yeah. I mean, I needed to keep this. This is still a negate with 4250 attack. I can't ignore that. And we still have a lot of plays next turn, even if he fucks me up. No, that's fine. That's fine. Go ahead and make your plays. You're not gonna win. Now he has an additional normal summon. Writing can activate his effect. I really don't care. He baited me out well. That's all I can say. I still have 2 monster negates, so let's see what we could do. And I have harmonizing again. Activate a card. 2 effects can be chained. No. Feliz. Dang, that really sucks. Oh wait, no it doesn't, because he can't special summon that. He has a full board. Nice. You're real good. No snow, so I'm happy about that. Saryuja. Alright, so this is gonna be my on the Saryuja, we're just gonna negate that. Now the question is, can he play through the other one? He's gonna Xyz to Utopia. Yeah, that's fine. He's gonna make lightning to try to attack on my thing, I think. Yeah. Can this be negated? If this card battles, your opponent cannot activate cards and effects until the end of the damage step. I think I wanna go ahead and target that shit right now. So, yeah. And now he can't, I mean, he could use the effect, it's just, yeah, that's it, that's all I could do. Both of those monsters cannot attack, and I told you, he's not gonna win, unless he has some random thing. I mean, he could link those cards off away, and at that point he already lost so many cards, there's just no reason. There you go, look, I told you, he was just not gonna win from that, so, what we're gonna do is we're gonna win harder. Yeah, we're gonna win harder. So let's go ahead, Pendulum Summon. We're gonna, actually, I'm gonna view this. Oh, it's generic. Let's go, baby. Special Summon the Harmonizing, Special Summon the Purple Poison, and I think I want to, what else am I gonna Special Summon? Like Unicorn, so 2 more monsters. We're gonna go ahead for, him, and him, why not? Boom. Oh no, I fucked myself up technically. It's fine. Because I can't use her effect to summon the level 3, but it's alright. It's fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go, and we do have a black spellcaster, right? No, we don't, but we can. Special Summon. I don't have Ignis in here. Oh, I'm bad. It's cool. We're just gonna have to not be able to OTK, sadly. Oh, wait. Let's go ahead and do that. For Phoenix. No, not really. Yeah, I forgot. I have Borreload. I'm gonna use that. That's it. Boom. I don't know what else I could change. I'm gonna activate the effect to add harmonizing. We're gonna activate this effect to target the this and half the attack. No, we're not gonna summon. We're not gonna summon. Oh my god. Okay, cool, whatever. We're gonna summon. Why not? Special summon. And then we're gonna need that card. So what we can do is make unicorn, shuffle that back, attack for game. Okay, cool. I'm so bad, but it's alright. Special summon unicorn by using this card. No? Yo, what the fuck is this game? Oh my god, that is ridiculous. That is super ridiculous. Whatever. He knew he was gonna lose, because essentially what I was gonna do is I was gonna attack with Savage Dragon first. Against that, he's gonna take a lot of damage. Attack against Borreload, boom, defense, and then he was gonna lose from there. But I just wanted to guarantee it. Whatever. So that was a pretty good-ish representation. I didn't mean to activate or actually summon the harmonize, because I just wanted to get more attack boost. You know, an additional 200 would have been nice, but whatever. Hopefully you guys liked the fucking deck. It's just having those interruptions just really nice against them. So yeah, I'm definitely record some more duels and showcase them to you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy them. Thanks.